about Mandarin and Ping and what...
I'm just watching this guy park underneath the...
Yeah, that was funny. And that guy had the bike.
This is the second time.
He had to go behind him, literally. I saw that. Is it a female or a male? I can't tell.
It's just amazing.
It is, but it never ceases.
It happens all day, every day.
Yeah. CFZM 528. Hey, buddy.
How fast do they go?
32.
I was trying to keep up. No way.
No way. There you go.
Now you're free to leave. Or not.
Wild.